I tryna tell you what to do. When you gon' start thinking about you? When you gon' put yourself first? When you gon' realize your worth? Shawty, don't cheat yourself. Come and get you a real nigga, yeah. This shit is deeper than a shopping spree. Red bottoms, I can buy them too. Tryna fuck your mind before I make love to you. Girl, I can teach you something. Baby, you deserve it and you know it. You know that it's the truth when I say he can't love you. Baby, you know it too. I think it's time, shout it. Open your eyes, shout it. Keeping it real, be real with yourself. Open your mind, let me love you right the first time. This won't be nothing like the last time. I know he might be your man, but he can't do you like I can. He can't get his thing to you like I do. Show you how to get that, stack that, flip that, double up one more time. Get your get back. All of them bitches gon' hate when they see you shine. Girl, you did that. I'm just one more reason they gon' hate, yeah. Help you stack your paper, don't need nothing off your plate, yeah. You got something, baby, you deserve it and you know it. You know that it's the truth when I say love you, baby, you know it too. I think it's time, shout it. Open your eyes, shout it. Keeping it real, be real with yourself. Open your mind, let me love you right the first time. First time. This won't be nothing like the last time. I know he might be your man, but he can't do you like I can. He can't get his thing to you like I do. No. He can't love you like I love you, baby. You know it too. Girl, if he don't represent, leave that nigga where he stand. 'Cause you deserve more for what you do. He can't love you.
So, I'm going out on a date night. A solo date night. I'm spoiling myself today, so. Yes. Do you like my hair though? I love it. Like, come on now. Look at that. Can you really imagine me take myself out on a date night? I really deserve this. Like, I really deserve this. So make sure to follow my TikTok, Island Girl Jisha. That's where everything will drop. Like, look at me. You can say you want to have me with a cup of tea or something. Like, come on now. Like, I'm fine. Period. Like, I'm fine. Like, come on now. Like, this is bad bitch fuel. And I'm a bad bitch.
Shawty, don't cheat yourself. Come and get you a real nigga, yeah. This shit is deeper than a shopping spree. Red bottoms, I can buy them too. Before I make love to you, girl, I can teach you something. Baby, you deserve it and you know it. You know that it's the truth when I say he can't love you. Baby, you know it too. I think it's time, shout it. Open your eyes, shout it. Keeping it real, be real with yourself. Open your mind, let me love you right the first time. This won't be nothing like the last time. I know he might be your man, but he can't do you like I can. He can't get his thing to you like I do. He can't love you like I love you, baby, you know it too. Girl, if he don't represent, leave that nigga where he stand. 'Cause you deserve more for what you do. He can't love you. Know that I'm right when I say that you need someone to make you feel like you're ready for whatever. When you down, pick you up, help you do better. I can show